Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Umolang Sports Club registered a remarkable 3-run victory in the final on Saturday. The game was shortened to 10 overs due to rainy conditions, but the team's exceptional performance with both bat and ball led to their success. The final match featured a showdown between FT United X1SC Minso and Umolang Sports Club. The presentation ceremony was graced by the Assistant Director of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Krubok Pasa, as the chief guest, accompanied by MCA President Nababrata Bhattacharjee and other dignitaries. The tournament was organised by the West Jaiñtia Hill District Cricket Association in July, with 10 teams participating.